Hey, what's going on, guys? As you know, Tony just put a second video out on the car and stuff that he found, and I just want to get some shit straight. There's already a lot of people in the comments, and I know y'all gonna say don't pay attention to comments, but this has got me pretty pissed right now. As far as the oil goes, the oil's been changed in this car 5 fucking times on 2,500 miles since Power Tour. The oil got changed when it got back. The oil got changed again when the oil pan had to be taken off, put a gasket on it. It was changed again after that before it went to Buffalo Valley on the first test hit. Changed again when it got home. New oil back in it. The second time it went to Buffalo Valley. Got back from Buffalo Valley. Changed again before it even went to the event. Now, some of you already commented, well, why didn't you check the oil? And of course, my number one fucking troll is already starting shit. Now, Tony's saying he didn't know what was going on with the car. He hadn't seen it in a month. Well, Tony and I have talked each time this thing went to the track. I told him what it was doing, what was going on. Okay, I need new plugs. I got new plugs for it. I also sit there and told him that the back bulbs started leaking, or the carburetor's having an issue dumping fuel. I bought a needle and seat for it. The car had not been ran since Buffalo Valley. It got changed at the No Name Nationals. All the bolts were checked on this thing before it left. Header bolts, intake bolts, stuff like that. Car bolts. And so I really don't know where to go with this, because like I said, I'm honestly and truly fucking pissed right now. Andy and I busted our asses on the carb. He's talking about the idle was up too high on it. The plugs on it, I had one run on them at Buffalo. I used them over at No Name. And I put a new plug in number 1 just to check things out, because we were having some issues. And with it running rich. But, I mean, this is starting to get too out of hand already. You know, it is what it is. So whatever has happened at the event. Now, as far as it getting almost 2 quarts of fuel in it, I don't know. Carburetor can still be dumping a little bit. I don't know. It could be a fuel pump that might be leaking into the oil. I don't know. But all I know is the shit was done before it went to the event. Now, y'all can say what you want to say about it. I'm saying my piece about it. And you can take it for what it is. But I'm not going to sit there and get slammed underneath the bus from the comments when they don't even know the whole story. Now, you can call it me making excuses. I really don't care at this point in time. You know, it's like this morning, he texted, want to know what was going on, what was done with this, what was done with that. And, you know, I had several people trying to help me get this car back on the track. So, y'all can take it for what it is. Other than that, the rest of you guys, you know you rock. And, oh yeah, by the way, here's the oil from the last oil change. As you can see there, there's no glitter in it. And there hasn't really been any glitter in it with the other oil changes. So basically, whatever happened at the event. So like I said, it could be a couple possibilities. It is whiz. Unfortunately, he's going to have to go through the motor because it evidently washed the rings out. You know, but that's my part of the story on it. And even at No Names, he was texting back and forth with Andy. I was texting with him. So, I mean, we tried to tell him as much as what was going on. So if y'all want to take it one way, that's fine. If you want to take it the other way, that's fine also. But right now, I'm just feel like I'm getting thrown underneath the bus. Not directing this at Tony whatsoever. But at the same time, you got to know the whole story instead of half the story. But other than that, guys, y'all have a good one. and I'll see you down the road.